Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the instant fee module of Fedina. So we can go to administration and finance to access instant fee inside fees. So we'll get this link instant fees. So instant fees is any fees that is besides the normal fee structure of the student. For example, I'll just show you some fees that I've already created. Relief funds or picnic or teachers day collection. So any collection that is happening besides the normal fees collection in Fedina is instant fees. So we can, I've already created few categories. I'll just create a new one. For example, let's say there is some fees like Christmas celebrations. And we are collecting 100 each from a student. So I'm saving this, so this category will appear here, and inside this category I can create a particular. Particular is as we create for normal fees, we are just assigning particulars here. So let's say I can give the same name. So here I am creating the particular, and then after creating the instant fees, we can pay the fees for the students. So for paying fees, we can click on this. Now this kind of fees that we are collecting can be for a student, for an employee, or for a guest. So it is not only applicable to a student, it may also be applicable to an employee or some guest. So in, like for example, if some fest, college fest or institution fest is happening, so in that case guests will also be coming. So we can collect fees from them also, for example entry fees. So let me select an employee, let's say E3, and I can see all the fees categories will come here, and let me take Christmas celebrations from her. So let's say I give some payment node and it can be paid. Okay, so this is how we can pay instant fee for an employee or a guest or even a student. And one more thing here, I'll again select some employee. Let me do it for a user. Let's say user 14 is there, and this is a student. So these categories are already created. There might be some categories that you do not want to save, but you want to collect the amount for it. So this is instantly you can give the name here. For example, so this is like this we need not save, we don't want to save it. So let's just give so here I can give a what is the mode, what we can add a particular here. Let's say and we can give the amount, let's say 10. So this is instantly that the person is paying, and I can pay the fees for this student. So this is also a kind of instant fee where we have selected the category as custom. Custom means it'll not be saved, it'll not be a part of you can see that entry fees is not being a part of category name here. So category name should be created when they are generally used. Otherwise we can always pay custom category fee for the student. And then we can even view the transaction. For example, for Christmas celebrations, I can see within a particular duration what all transactions have happened. If I want to revert this transaction, I can click on this cross, and this transaction will be reverted back for the employee. So this is about instant fee. We'll be coming up with more videos in the coming videos. So thanks a lot for watching.